Alright everybody, thanks for joining us today. We're going to work on getting the body on this GTO separated from the chassis. And hopefully it'll clean apart pretty easy. We'll see. Follow along and find out. Okay, yeah, we decide what size those are. Look at it, oh, he does that. Oh, here's the sending unit wire. Okay, take those, they can stay on the body.
Feel like it stay on the body anyway.
Yeah. So we'll just take that loose. We'll have to be careful getting it up off the fuel tank. If not, we have to drop the tank out.
What about the exhaust? It stays on the frame, right?
Yeah, the exhaust hangs on the chassis. Yeah, hangs on the chassis here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the exhaust is all hanging on the chassis. We don't have anything over the body. It's not a unibody like the like my Torino and like the Fairlanes and Mustangs where they have that stuff bolted to the body in places. This is a full frame car, so luckily everything stays on the frame. So let's see here. Brake lines, okay, that all stays on the frame. Do you need a pair of vice grips to hold that, sir? I think I might have one. So, all but the two middle ones are out, right? Or two front ones, these two? Yep. Okay, so all the others are out. You got the fuel lines off?
Yeah, like that.
Come here, I think we need to take this tank out. This tank, he thought it was on the frame. This thing's up to the body. And we ain't got enough room on each side to clear it and come out without possibly dragging it out of the car. So I say we take.
I think it'll come out.
You think so? It'll be tight. Look right over here. This lip, I can't even. My fingers ain't gonna clear the bottom top side of the frame. I mean, we could try it. But okay.
Just go nice and easy.
The only thing. Well, the only problem is
this.
that, and then these hook into the frame, not the body. The front hooks into the body, the back has studs in the frame. That's in the body. Oh, okay.
These
I can't see it.
Oh,
yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's the slot.
But
that
it'll go above that.
Yeah.
This comes down, not up.
That's right. That's right.
So that won't matter. But I am worried about these lines.
I'm not replacing them.
Suspension. As far as the air shocks go, he has not mentioned that. So I would take this nut off right here and stick the lines.
Yeah, that's the only.
The line should fit his chest.
Yeah, but it's on the top side over there.
Oh.
Yeah, it runs right here.
Yeah, it runs across the top of the tank. So whenever you drop it down,
And it doesn't have enough flex to get around it.
Well,
Disconnect them.
sorry.
here I got it. I could just take that nut off, probably.
So when they gave you enough line
No. I'm trying to do this so you can turn it. Can you pull the line out of it? Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you're trying to take a line?
Yeah, because just that wouldn't give you enough slack.
This side cleared, this side wouldn't.
Yeah, I wouldn't give you enough slack.
I got you. Yeah, that one's clear.
just bump it up. You watch back there. You watch right here. Yep. We're recording again, by the way, in case anybody doesn't know.
Okay. Here's the bump
ready?
up.
Get a bump.
We're good.
Good.
We're clearing the lips of the tank.
You ready, Jeff? Are you ready, Pat?
Yep.
Bump.
Up.
Bump.
Bump.
Alright, get those cables out.
Okay.
When you wipe the nose, we're pretty good balance. I don't think we're going anywhere.
Go ahead and bump up.
Alright, ready?
I'm just watching for anything that could
Watch
be
over here.
catching back here.
Or get on the lines. Alright, there we go.
Watch midsection as well.
Yep, I don't see anything here.
Okay, come on up.
Ready? Bump. How does that look? We look good over here. There's nothing over here. Alright, there.
We're good to come up.
You want to go up long bump?
Yep. Long bump.
Another long bump?
Yep.
Looking good so far?
Yep. Take it up.
Alright, we're going to give it a long bump. How's everything look?
We'll get it go up a little higher to clear the.
Yeah, let's go up another couple clicks, set it on the box, and we'll roll this out. Okay, if that's enough. You think we're on the lock there, we'll be alright?
Yep.
Alright, everybody clear? Sweet. Alright, Pat, you got the back?
Okay, ready?
Ready?
It's all you guys.
Alright. Alright, everybody. The body is off. Now the fun part happens. Now we get to pressure wash, clean, and wire wheel this beauty right here. We're going to check things over. There's a couple spots that look like somebody tried to jack on this thing and lift it up in a couple spots, or it got set down on something, mainly on the bottom side of the rail right here. Let's see if we can straighten that stuff up that may or may not be on video. We're going to check a few things over and then do the magic of TV editing. We will be back shortly.